In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table formatting in Microsoft Excel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel from your Start menu or taskbar. Once Excel is running, open the workbook you've been working with. Click any cell inside the formatted table, for example cell A2. Take a quick look at the ribbon and you'll notice that the Table Design tab appears at the far right. That's how you know Excel is treating this as a table, not just a regular range of cells. Now, let's clear the table style. Click the Table Design tab in the ribbon. In the Table Styles group, which sits in the middle of the ribbon, click the small More arrow in the bottom right corner of the Style Gallery to expand it. Inside the expanded gallery, scroll down and click Clear at the bottom. The colored banding and the header fill disappear right away. The cells now look plain, but structurally the data is still a table behind the scenes. Next, we'll convert the table into a normal range. With the cell still selected inside the now unformatted table, stay on the Table Design tab. In the Tools group on the left side of the tab, click Convert to Range. A dialog box appears asking, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Click Yes. The Table Design tab will disappear from the ribbon, which means your data is now a plain cell range. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's clear any leftover cell formatting as an optional cleanup. Click the header of column A and drag across to column E, or alternatively press Ctrl+A once with a cell inside the data selected. This selects the whole former table area. Then click the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Editing group on the far right of the ribbon, click Clear, which is the eraser icon. From the drop-down that appears, select Clear Formats. Any remaining bold headers, borders, or fills are removed, leaving bare cells with just the data inside. And that's it. Clicking any cell in the data no longer shows the Table Design tab, which means the structured table is gone. The cells display as a plain, unformatted range with your original values intact, including order ID, region, product, units, and revenue, across all 8 rows. Filter arrows on the headers have disappeared, and structured references no longer resolve.